up, YG? Today I'm going to play skywars+. Even though my quest is not there, because I'm too lazy to do it. But see, I'm so close to tier 29, aka kill.
To make that possible, putting effort into that video literally changed the direction of my life. We used to go on road trips like every year, and ever since I've done YouTube, that has like stopped happening because this has been such a ridiculous grind. I haven't seen this kid at all, so dude, what the F, man? It's so good to see you, bro.
Sometimes video randomly pause and I don't know why. Just now I made a video about rank and I deleted it because it keep randomly pausing and I get trash teammates and keep losing.
I don't know how we're going to pull this off. This will be a test of the strength of the Mafia. This video gets 2.5 million likes to spend $1 million on Facebook Marketplace. I have faith in the Mafia. Hit the button. Give us that line we so desperately desire every time. Okay. That's pretty much it. I'm leaving. Leaving. Happy 2022!
Oh my god, I'm getting vaccine later, dude. I'm scared. Psych, boy, I am scared. I'm never scared. Wherever you want that chest, you take it in. Dude. And just now I accidentally did rank squad and there was like a Coco Wolf, Dream, and something else as my teammate, but I was just like you.
How much is one of these top? I feel like $1,000. Not these. $50 to $200 per tube. And then you can just go hey wild on your mouth here and just do as many as you want. Our goal is to spend $1,000 total, so I'm trying to stay in like the $300 to $500 range. This one says, I need a man. Cross it out. 10. Instead of actually spending the time to go outside and get sun, I would just spray it onto my body in a semi-permanent fashion.
Right, yeah. How long does it last for?
Weeks? I don't know, dude. I don't. Weeks? Yeah. The deeper I got into the spray tanning thing, the more I realized these girls who do spray tanning on Facebook Marketplace only spray tan girls. Because anytime I asked about it, they would get wildly uncomfortable. So to be totally honest,
How hard that guy's
I didn't realize he was looking
Never trust a guy with nipples that hard. If you're doing business with a guy who's got thumbtacks sticking out of his shirt, he's one step ahead of you.
He's very specific and only wants ladies. If you're a man, don't come near my ass. Guess what, Leo? I'm coming anyway. So what do? I freaking send a deposit. We're booked. Leo is going to take care of me. Alright, so next I found something that I'm also very excited about. So this is custom cakes for sale. My girl, what's her name? Daisy. Daisy. She says $75 without a second of hesitation. I send her the $75. And I have a little idea for what I might want my custom cake to be. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just stay for the rest of the video. You'll find out. And the last thing, when I saw freaking the words Final Racing Stripes, I immediately thought this would be a great fit for the old smart car. Should increase the speed a little bit, make it a little bit more aerodynamic. So the price on these is a little bit more than I anticipated. $550. I sent him the idea. He says next availability is August 5th. I'm actually going to be doing this for my YouTube channel, and we'll be giving you a shout out. The episode is blah, 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 blah. And then he replies, the next available date is August 5th.
He didn't give up.
Then he replies back a day later. You want racing stripes on a smart car? I send a picture. He says, oh, how cute. You cool with $1,000 at 6 p.m. tomorrow? How do we go from $500 to $1,000? I say, add was for $550. What can we do for that price? He says, you're right. I was just adding in for the rush. He doubled the price for the rush, dude. And then he negotiates back down to half of his price and says, we'll go ahead and do it for $500. I think he saw a YouTuber and he just went. Obviously, he doesn't realize that we don't have any YouTube money, which is why this video is sponsored by Honey. Hey! so glad you asked. Listen, boys and girls, we all shop online, and we've all been checking out.
Every time I'm at checkout, I'm just taunted by that promo code box. I'm literally quaking in my boots because of how taunted I am.
Well, Mac, thanks to Honey, I'm glad to tell you that searching for coupon codes manually is a thing of the past. Honey is the free browser extension that finds coupon codes for you and automatically applies them to your cart.
Well, that all sounds pretty good, fine and dandy there, but how does something like that work, my guy?
I'll show you. Imagine for a second you're shopping on one of your favorite sites, and all you have to do is click the buy coupon. It's that easy. For example, on Amazon, we can order kangaroo shoes. $20. You buy one massage from Leo.
Massage from Leo.
Obviously, that's on Amazon, but Honey does support over 30,000 online stores. DoorDash, Domino's, you know, I love pizza. All of your favorite online stores, Honey's got.
Well, gee, Eric, it kind of seems like if you don't already have Honey, you could literally just be missing out on free money.
I couldn't have said it better myself. Honey is not only super free and super easy to install, but you'll be helping yourself, and you'll be helping me by supporting the channel. I personally use Honey every single day, and you can get it for free today by using joinhoney.com/airac.
Joinhoney.com/airac.
You want to go give people free money now?
Let's go give some people some free money.
I really want some boots, you know? Mind giving me that diamond boot?
Right now it's 10:30. At 11 o'clock, the day starts with a hot rock massage. I've never gotten a massage in my entire life. I don't imagine hot rocks being laid on my back. Oh my.
Come here.
And so we made our way to my first massage of all time. This looks like one of those like motels where people get like killed. I have a hard time believing that there are hot rocks somewhere around here that are being laid on my back. Body and wellness kingdom. I feel nervous to knock. I don't want to. Oh god. Hey, how's it going, man? Cool, thanks, bro. This right here is my boy Leo, the best massage therapist in the entire city, according to him. Cool, man. How long have you been doing this?
October will be 15 years.
You're the OG, bro.
I am. After I step out.
Yeah.
You want
Oh, I want the
to
emerald.
hang so you can hang clothes up.
You're trying to get paid. Alright, so I guess I can take all my clothes off. I know we're doing this.
Nah, dude.
Alright. Massage time, baby. Do you think that I'm gonna be safe? Do you think that we're okay? He said he'd lit these candles for me, for especially. He only does that for the ladies. Now, I've only had one massage in my entire life, but this was the best massage of my entire life.
Alright, how you feeling?
I feel great, dude. I got lost in the sauce right now.
Oh my god, dude.
Alright, boss, what do I owe you?
It's 70. 70 left? Yes, sir.
Beautiful. 1, Leo's the man. 2, much better than expected. If you're thinking about getting a hot stone massage from Leo, stop thinking about how weird it could potentially be, and just go get some hot stones later. Alright, I gotta get a gold grill installed now.
You're not going to really do that.
Yes, I am. It'll be cool.
It's not permanent.
Yeah, it's permanent.
No.
What do you mean? No. I'm very interested to see how this process goes. They advertise as being same-day service. So the idea is I get molded right now and then come back later today to actually get my grill. We're in East Atlanta. We're looking for Gangsta Grills. What's up, bro? After walking around East Atlanta for a while, we finally found Gangsta Grills, the creators of the $50 grill, and I was excited to see what all that Facebook Marketplace hype was about. It's Eric. It's AIRRACK. Sterling silver, and then the top 6 right here. What do you think about that? Can we do that? Alright, cool. Dude, I remember doing this in Venice.
Let's go. Let's just go and pull right now.
Is that it? Oh, let's go, bro. Bro, I almost threw up with that stupid thing in my mouth. Alright, next stop. You guys aren't ready for the next stop. Now you might be wondering, Eric, why do you need a spray tan? Well, Mac spent, I don't know, 90% of our lives in my my room making these videos for you guys, so I don't get a whole lot of sun these days. So in order to compensate for this, I'm just going to get fake sun printed on my skin. My goal, honestly, yeah, hey, how's it going? Are you doing spray tans by chance?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Cool. Hey, my
$200.
name is Eric. So I have a YouTube channel, and we wanted to see if you would be down to do a spray tan and yeah, be part of the video. It would be me.
Yeah, I don't think I have any openings. Thursday and Friday are dude. Someone's gonna be filming.
He's also a very normal human being.
What time are you needing an appointment?
That's, yeah, ideally, like, sometime today, whatever works for you. I promise I'm not gonna pull any weird shit. I promise.
Okay. Yeah, this is the first time I've ever had anyone contact me.
You're good. You're good. I know it's a little bit different.
3 o'clock?
Okay.
Perfect.
I can do 3 o'clock. Is that cool?
Okay. You need my address?
That would be great. I will see you at 3 o'clock.
GG's.
That took some negotiating, huh? At the beginning of the call, she said, yeah, we don't have any appointments for today or tomorrow or over the
I'm
weekend.
gonna end
So,
this
yeah, that's
video
the
first and then make
I'm gonna go get
another
my
part so I
first-
can
first mail spray.
post this video as one.
Well, I was like, I've never been in this position before. So this one is a violet undertone, and he's gonna look a little purple. Look at the difference, bro. It's perfect.
Videographer, editor on planet Earth. How does that feel? Yeah, I think
Dude,
darker.
my teammate got me killed. I hate you, teammate.
Imagine your voice slowly changes. Okay, so what's the total on this?
So 45 plus 55.
You're 55, I'm 45. 55, that is $95 total. Paid.
Get out a calculator.
That's $100, guys.
It is $100.
Oh, it's right out of the
$100.
That's why I sprayed tan.
Alright, bro. Well, I'm a lot tanner. You. Holy. What? Are you okay? Are you okay?
Dude, get your freaking pale fingers off.
You hungry?
Dude, I'm starving.
I'm thinking we get dessert for dinner. Do you ever have dessert for dinner, Mac?
No.
I want cake for dinner, Mac.
Okay.
I want cake for dinner, Mac.
This is the cake place?
Yes, bro.
Jesus, dude.
Wow. Thank you so much. Thanks so much. Have a good one. Alright. These people are mad at us.
Seriously.
Okay, we're pulling out. Very sorry.
Dude, what are you doing? Why do you keep like, come on? Shh. Just wait. Why are you shushing me, bro?
Just one more. Just give me a second.
What are we doing right now?
Stop asking so many questions. Alright, look. This is what I ordered, okay? Congratulations on 500,000 subscribers. Say congratulations. Wow, I can't wait to dig into this. I don't know. I mean, this is my play button. If there was a 500,000 subscriber play button, this is probably what it looked like. Oh, wow. That looks good on the inside. Oh, wait. I can't eat this.
Why can't you eat that, bro?
Because we're not at 500,000 subscribers. We're at 483,000. Ooh, that makes me mad, dude. I would love to eat this cake. It looks great, dude. Thank you guys so much for 483,000 subscribers as of this exact moment. But unfortunately, on this channel we have big dreams, and I'm not going to cut it. And I also know that there is an enormous percent of you guys that are not subscribed to the channel yet. If you've enjoyed this video, if you enjoy high quality content like this, literally single, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It's the number one way to support the channel.
Serious.
Matt, hey, guess what? I'm here again to haunt you, motherfuckers. We were supposed to hit 500,000 subscribers. We're not even close. We're pretty close. But we need to get there, okay? We're like 15,000 away. What are we doing? This cake is supposed to represent the celebration of getting 500,000 subscribers. And I'm sorry to say that we just didn't do that. So I'm gonna have to take care of this real quick. I'm gonna get a bite of this first, though.
Don't.
You can eat that cake, alright? You cannot eat the cake. We need to be at 500,000 subscribers by the end of this video. And I'm not fucking around this time. You understand me?
Guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button. That's all we ask. The goal is to go from 0 to 1 million subscribers in a year, and we can't do that without your help, so make sure you hit the subscribe button.
I'm not gonna lie, that cake was like the best cake I've ever eaten in my life. I want to go back and find it in the woods and eat it.
Bro, that cake was actually so good.
Just get us to 500,000 subscribers, man. Oh my god. Lastly, we need
completed yet our vinyl racing stripes, which if you remember, we got a steep discount for, which I was excited about. Racing stripes. I think we're doing yellow. Yes, sir. Cool. Lost yellow.
We'll get it from the front bumper all the way to the back bumper.
Cool. This I'm excited about. Okay,
You.
playing with a smart car that we haven't exactly told you guys about yet, but this is the
That was
first and
a
probably
solo.
least expensive of all the modifications. All I'm gonna say is, Danny Duncan, how do I even warn him properly, dude? You've been warned unproperly. And over the course of the next hour, the boys went to work making a small town girl smart car even more smart. Oh my god, dude. Look at this, look at this. Look at this. Thank you again to Honey for sponsoring this video. That looks so sick. What do I owe this?
It's 550.
Okay, and can I do Cash App, Venmo?
Let's go do Cash App.
Cool. Yes, sir. Thank you, brother. I appreciate you. Let's get some freaking video. And so I present to you the new and improved smart car.
Dude, that guy did that so slowly. Okay, this is actually his phone. Why not? Sure. The lag. I got lag back.
And before the day was over, we had one more thing to pick up. One more thing left today, and that is to get my...
Dude!
Then,
How?
12 hours. This is same-day service, so I'm very interested to see, like, the quality, I guess. What's up, bro? How we doing? Here. Yes, sir. What? This is it? Oh my god. Oh, bro. Here we go. That's it, baby. What's up, bro? What's up, baby? What's up, baby? $300 later. I can't even speak right. It feels like my retainer, dude. It feels like a retainer. It's so tight.
Did it hurt putting it on?
Yeah, dude. How does it look with a resting face like this? Listen, that's all I want to do for the rest of the day. I want to get a cinematic sequence. Matt, you listening? I want a cinematic sequence with me, the car, the grill, my new sick tan, and I just want to demonstrate my new lifestyle. That is the $1,000 Facebook Marketplace budget.
Yo, let's go. Another.
Okay, we just filmed our cinematic sequence, but now we have a cop car.
He in the rearview mirror anyway. I just record him for the boys.
Yeah, just report him for the boys, bro. I was gonna do it really great, like, that's pretty much it, I'm seeing it, but we're gonna have to find somewhere else now. Alright, well, this is what $1,000 on Weird Facebook Marketplace gets you. We get what, like 50,000 likes? 70,000 likes to spend $10,000 on Facebook Market. We had some people watching me, so I invited them to come in and taught them the outro real quick, so this was their best attempt. I'm leaving.
Well, that's actually these. You don't think that's supposed to happen?
Win. Tell me where to go.
You thought you could knock me off already? Oh, too bad you died. Cry about it. Okay, dude, I'm actually being way too toxic.
When I was a student, I'd write long essays that I'd work on for days. But now, I'm writing short emails and messages all day, every day. Grammarly has been a lifesaver. Here's an example of an email I wrote at work. With just a few clicks, Grammarly helps me reword my sentences so that they're crisper.
Damn, nice job, dude.
I can stay efficient while sounding clear every time. It's so much cleaner. And of course, it helps me correct any embarrassing typos, which happen sometimes when I'm trying to type quickly. Writing is a big part of my role. Grammarly helps me feel confident I'm doing it well. If you don't have it, you must...
Wait, what? I wasn't sprinting. No.
To survive on Facebook.
Dude, I'm not happy. Dude, I died from that. Dude, no.
Justin Bieber, possibly the biggest name in pop culture over the last decade. Like him or hate him, Justin seems to have really hit his stride in the last few years. He seems to be doing so well, in fact, that he is getting married. And when I found out that the wedding was happening just a mere 4 hours south of where I live, I knew I had to go support the Biebs. And by support, I mean crash Justin Bieber's wedding. This big, I knew I needed an accomplice, and the first person I thought of was my friend Peyton. I texted Peyton and said, yo, I'm trying to go crash Justin Bieber's wedding, Tom Moore in. Anyway, I texted him and asked if he was down, and he said yes. Pre-packed bags full of gear, and even some extra black clothes to look more professional.
I'm excited, man.
This is like proper, like A-list celebrity wedding today. Like this is like not a joke.
We got the snacks.
Yeah.
Always have to have the snacks. We have camera equipment. We got a drone. We got a tripod. We got my accounting homework for 8 a.m. tomorrow morning.
You are not going to get back to that class. We have a brisk 4.5-hour drive ahead of us. Knowing the details of the day was super important. And Peyton really did his research.
Well, first of all, he let me know yesterday. Wow. So I go on Justin's Instagram, go on Haley's Instagram, go on all their tag posts with the DJs and everybody that they know. Then I'm just researching where. So I go on TMZ and I read 3 different articles. I went on the 22,000 acre farm on the May River, in between Savannah and Charleston.
Can't hide money.
No.
Another important detail for the day would be security.
So being that Justin Bieber is one of the #1 celebrities in the world, security is going to be insane.
Excuse me? We just don't know. We just have no clue what's happening. So, we drove. We are not crashing the wedding. How do you feel?
We're crashing the biggest wedding of the year.
And drove.
Seriously, you had to ruin it. You stupid blue light
And entered the
idiot.
gates of the resort. This happened.
So before we even get into this, before we decided, so Eric had to take a conference call, and that's what he's told me. And then one of the cops pulls up behind me. He comes up, knocks on the back window, runs my plate and everything checks out. But before we even try to sneak in or anything, we already have the cops on our ass.
With time ticking and police on high alert, we needed a plan and fast. We decided the best way to get in was to make the security guard as uncomfortable as possible. And we came up with the story that Peyton and I were a couple and we were getting our engagement photos done at the resort. So we are dressed for success. We're probably 300 feet from the gate right now. Cops, police, officer, anything that you can ask, there's security at this gate. We're gonna go try to use our couple's engagement photos excuse to get past the gates. So with our half-baked plan, we just kind of drove up to the main gate.
Dude.
We're here to get our engagement photos at the tree house.
Let's go. Ammo.
It didn't work
At all.
It was solid. It's a solid idea.
This is the point where we have to get. See Google Maps, we found a secret entrance. We can't say no to anything right now. We don't really get to be. Oh, dude. Yet again, we found ourselves at a gate. Only there were no cop cars, security, or bodyguards. With fears at an all-time high, we approached the new gate. Let's try. And rather than being immediately stopped, they just waved us through. Bro, I think we literally just got through. There was nobody at the gate, nobody said anything. We're so close now. Once we got past that gate, we were totally good. Holy crap, dude, I can't believe we did that. I cannot believe we just freaking did that. Hey, Justin, great taste in wedding venues, my man. This place is beautiful.
Haley, you too.
Thanks for having us.
Get us.
Is there parking up here?
I am.
300 a
Very
football thrown
upset.
away
Yes!
is the black decked out.
Okay, why do you want that?
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So a lot of you guys asked me, how do you find good players for ranked squads? Well, I have one of the best tips for finding the best players for this game mode. Make sure you guys drop a like and subscribe if you love Roblox Bedwars. Hit that bell so you don't miss a video or a live stream, and use star code MUD when buying Robux. Let's get started. Currently, right now, I'm on Gold 4 rank, and I'm grinding for Nightmare. I've been winning so many games because I've found some of the best players ever. We launched a new server called Bedwars Ranked Squads. In this server, we have so many skilled players that are very good at the game. Some of these players have over thousands of wins. If you're looking for players to have a very overpowered kit, right here is the Kit Rolls channel. Over here are some of the best kits in game for Ranked Squads mode. If you own one of the specific kits, then click the react button right here. These players own Grim Reaper kit, these players own Barbarian kit, and these players own Airy kit, and so on. All of these kits are so good for ranked squads, and it's very easy to find a teammate with these kits. From time to time, we will add giveaways in the server. To verify, enter/verify. Follow the steps of what the bot asked you to do. We have lots of
Yeah, I'm
voice chat in
joining,
the server, making it very easy to communicate. This server will be linked in the video description. Go ahead and check it out.
Oh crap, I didn't realize. Fuck. Oh, the lag. What? I'm so sad, dude.
If you guys need tips on grinding XP fast, I made an entire video of the best ways to grind XP. So if you guys want to win a free Grim Reaper kit, on my Discord server is a giveaway for the Grim Reaper kit. So recently I uploaded my new UGC kit on the catalog. Go ahead and check them out. They'll be linked in the video description. If you guys go to the video, drop a like.
Dude, my leg is insane.
Robux, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. So, if you guys want to win a free Roblox Bedwars Season 4 Battle Pass, to enter, you must like this video, you have to be subscribed, check out some of my other videos, and then comment your Roblox username. Every week, I pick one person to win a free Season 4 Battle Pass. So, this is last week's winner. The next winner will be chosen on Friday. Congratulations to this player. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, a lot of players want to complete their battle pass. The battle pass can be very hard because it requires so much XP. Many people have asked, how do you AFK Roblox Bedwars? Well, in today's video, I'll show you guys how to AFK Bedwars and get 5 levels every single day. Make sure you guys drop a like and subscribe if you love Roblox Bedwars. Use star code MUD when buying Robux, and hit that bell so you don't miss a video or a live stream. Let's get started. With all the game modes, 30v30 is the best one to AFK. If you didn't know, but a longer game gives you more XP.
Dude.
And 30v30, since there's 60 players, it takes very long to end. Since there's only 2 teams, you have a very high chance of winning. Next up, you need an auto clicker. This will make sure you do not get disconnected, and it will also put you into another match. The link to download this auto clicker will be linked in the
Yeah, I already have it.
description.
Auto
So
clicker
there
3.0.
are a few settings you need to change. The
part that says milliseconds, change that to 0. On the seconds tab, change that to 2 seconds. This means that every 2 seconds it will click for me. The next step is to put the mouse on the play again button. To make this easier, change cursor position to pick location. Put the value of 820 for X and 950 for Y. If you click this button right here, it starts the auto clicker. The next step is to go into a 30v30 now, so let's go join Lucky Block 30v30. Alright, so now click the start button. So as you can see, every 2 seconds it will click on my health bar. If you didn't know, but on the health bar is actually the play again button. Once this game ends, it will put me into another match. While going AFK, check in after 1 hour.
Ew.
When I was playing 30v30, I went AFK for 14 hours and got so much XP. Not only you get XP, but you also get clan coins and free wins. I'm not sure if this works on mobile or Xbox, so if you want to do this AFK method, you have to be on computer. And guys, best tip is that when you go AFK, set your graphics to the lowest as possible. If you guys need tips on grinding XP fast, I made an entire video of the best ways to grind XP. So if you guys want to win a free Grim Reaper kit, on my Discord server is a giveaway for the Grim Reaper kit. So recently I uploaded my new UGC Gamer chain of Roblox. It looks amazing. I have 4 different items on the catalog. Go ahead and check them out. They will be linked in the video description. If you guys enjoyed today's video, drop a like and subscribe. Use star code modem, buying Robux, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bruh, you really had to ruin it.
Oh, you're rushing. Hey, babe. Fuck your nose. Stop. Wait, stop. Oh, no, it didn't even work. You're such a sweat, bro. You're such a sweat. Yeah, get out of here. That's right. I'm going to do what's called a pro gamer. My God. Wait, 7x. I'm going to tell you something, okay? Listen, I'll be nice to you and I won't kill you because I'm really, really nice. What you doing? Stop! I said I'll be nice. You know what? Fine, I'll kill you because I have armor. I'm not scared of you anymore. Yeah. Say sorry now. Say sorry. Say sorry. Say sorry. Say sorry. Say sorry. Say good. Wait, stop. I'm not even attacking you. Why are you attacking me? That's not nice. Fine? Okay. What? I'm sorry. Wait, that's not. It's not working. The Raven isn't working, bruh. Why is my Raven not working? This game is broken. I just have relax. You're out of the game. You're out of the game. You're out of the game, Zeronix. But you should know something, okay? You have to keep this in mind. How did you get spawned back in? Bro, you're such a cheater. Cam spawned you back in, didn't he? Cam is such a cheater. Cam is such a cheater. What did you broken into, huh? Yeah, Cam is such a cheater. Okay, you have diamond armor? Bro, you're cheating 1,000%. 1,000% cheating. You're 1,000% cheating. 100,000%. I'm sure you're cheating. I'm going for your bed. I'm going for your bed. You're cheating. It's mine. Yeah. What are you gonna do about it? Bye, kid. Bye. Yeah, bye. I'm too good at it. No. Why are you bullying me? Get your shots good.
Anyway,
Shots good. You're bad. Ow.
Mama.
Wait.
Chest plate, please.
No!
Oh yes.
I hate you so much. I'm dead. Cam, please. No.
Yeah,
Wait,
that's what, please.
Cam, wait. Sharing is caring, right? Loser. You freaking loser.
At least Iron Sword is good.
Well, I got nothing. It sucks. Why is Cam on my team? Why are you on my team? Wait!
The mouth.
What is wrong with you?
Land. Oh, bro, that was the most insane block per clutch ever, dude. Holy crap.
Cam is spawning himself back then. Now he's in green team. This is such a cheater. Stop, please. Stop. Wait, please. Wait, stop. Please. I beg. Stop! Boom! Get out of here. Boom! Boom! Get out of here. Boom! Get out of here. Wait. We can talk about this, right? No. No camping. No breaking bed. Okay. Check me out.
Listen,
No! What are you laughing at, Bozo?
Wait a minute, I have a treaty for you, okay?
Okay.
Oh, crap.
Okay, I stop. The cat just died. You're so bad. Wait, Cam, how'd you die?
Stop it.
Hey, Cam. How to turn that table. Life is great.
Oh my god.
Hey, Cam. I'm dead. Fuck.
Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done. I'm sorry. Yes, I'm done.
Are you done?
Yes.
Are you done?
Why'd you be so annoying?
I'm not. Are you done? Now, do you wanna be nice?
What?
I'm willing to be nice.
Ever.
I hate you.
Okay, fine. Wait, listen. Get out of here! Get out of here!
Dang it, I just wasted my time basically.
Kid.
Oh my god.
What are you gonna do, kid? Yeah, that's right. Dog water.
What? Range, dude. Definitely
Why is
range.
Cam on my team? Bro, get out of my team, dude. Wait, time out. Let's go! The 4 HP! Easy! What are you guys doing here? Bye, kids! You gotta get me, bozos.
I'm gonna do what's called a pro gamer move.
Funo, great job. Idiot. Funo. Hey, Funo.
Dude, I suck at this game.
Come here. Yo, Kev, you're gonna have to spawn Funo back in. He kinda died, man. Oh my gosh. Stop, dude. That was actually not. Stop! Let's go! I'm not playing anymore. I'm not playing anymore. I'm gonna be a big baby about it.
No! Give me the...
What?
This is a scam, dude. Oh yes, never mind. I changed my mind.
What's the question?
Funo, give us a what? How much does stone sword and iron sword cost me?
Oh my jeez.
Are you serious?
Holy crap, dude. That was insane.
Stop! Oh my gosh! Oh, I can get him. Easy. Have a shell. I'm gonna target them.
What are you gonna do?
Oh.
Oh my gosh! I'm camping mids.
I really want a crossbow.
Diamond armor. Let's go, baby! Yeah, I got diamond armor. Oh, nice bed, guys. Nice bed, man. Damn. Damn, you said no cheating.
You are second.
No, why'd you spawn yourself back in? Damn, why are you spawning yourself back in?
No one shot.
Yeah, knock him out.
Bruh, he was the last guy. Last one.
So, doesn't mean you can cheat. Doesn't mean you can cheat, buddy. Okay. Hey guys.
Oh my god, I hate you so much.
Easy. Now they're invested. Look at them cheating. Oh crap,
I'm so good at pro clutching, dude.
I know this game. I have a bad.
Dude,
Spawn me back
these
in.
guys gonna be amazing.
Holy. Oh my god, I almost fell off my chair. Come on. No! You're joking! No! Let's go! Let's go!
Let's go. It's been a long time since I last played first person. Dang it!
Alright, so as you guys can tell by the title, I'm gonna have to be breaking up with Jade today. I literally just joined the lobby and the entire server is just reminding me that Jade got nerfed. I know it got nerfed! You don't need to tell me! Like, Jade, you were just so beautiful when I first met you. For the last few months, me and Jade have been in a dire relationship, and you guys know I've been with Jade since day one, dude.
Are you sure about that?
I did a 1 versus 30 clutch with Jade, so this is a big moment, alright? Bro, I could take poos faster than this, man. This is the reason why JK got nerfed, guys. People who do this, bro. They're the players that got this kid nerfed. The people who run for 20 minutes straight and made this game into an entire movie, dude. And he's got Uzi, and he uses that to just run away more, dude. You know what? I don't even care that Jay got nerfed. Stop the cap. This guy's literally just gonna run away the whole time.
Bill!
This is the reason why these kids get nerfed.
You asshole!
Savings on blocks, dude. No joke.
Dude, my teammate left me.
Jade, it's just time to go to the next best thing.
I really do not like
I think he's the wizard kid, look. Okay, dude, now he's just teleporting around. Okay, now he just turned into an Enderman. Okay, now he's turned into Superman. I can't keep up with the amount of kids in this game. But in all seriousness, it doesn't even matter if they nerf the kids, because they can't nerf me. But for real, guys, let's not lie to ourselves, alright? We all know everybody and their uncles were using Void or Jade, especially the sweats, bro. They'd be absolutely ruining the game for new players. Like, they'd be ruining it.
You're just ruining it. Look at my lips. You're ruining it. Ruining the fun for the next one.
Like, they should be annoying to deal with. So now we use a Jade at home. Alright, you know what? I'm actually gonna hit this guy through the wall. This kid is, like, actually busted. Watch this. You know a pattern I've started to notice, guys? If everybody's using the good kits, they nerf them. So if we all agree to just not use the good kits, they don't get nerfed. You know what a simple solution to be about all this kit stuff? Just make a kitless game mode. You're bad, says the guy in the spectate screen. You know what? Today I lost my second half. Now it's time to just go on an absolute rampage. Pick up a nice 2 free kills right there. You got armor? Even better, bro. That means more rage. Oh, everybody be getting armor, dude. Just gotta get an extra couple of hits, that's all. Bro, why is he jumping like that? Like, chill. Okay, dude. Okay. You can tell someone's a little bit upset that Jay got nerfed. Bro, this kid is something different. Poor little Timmy just played Bedwars for the first time and he's got to deal with that. Bedwars probably pushed him off the side. Because sometimes when you build up really fast, it like pushes you off the side. You know what?
right?
Keep that in the game, bro. Keep that in the game. It gives auto-clickers karma. Yep, another one where they just get stuck.
I don't auto-click and I get slipped off.
Huh? 7 blocks high. Anyways, he got my bed. I can't quite say that I'm upset about it, but I am about to bow somebody off a bridge. Come on, come back to the diamonds, boy.
You see, I don't even need to go, mate.
Yo, guys. just run across that bridge real quick. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Really?
Cross up.
Really?
No way, dude. Like, he'd be seeing me just ping people off across the map. Wow, he's brave. I ain't no archer. Shush. Watch this. May as well get a kill with a razor blade. Alright, GG's. Wait, why would I need to be a kid when I could just be myself? Like, watch this, bro. Like, there's no way to get back home, but I can just store it in the personal chest and then reset. The rich people stay on top. If you can get iron before everybody else, you win. That's it. It's not about kids, dude. It's about economy. Steal their iron, and they stay poor. How'd they get armor? Well, he doesn't have any armor anymore. Wait, so if they can nerf kids, how are they gonna nerf me? Oh, he's gonna try and build up. Yeah. What is that, bro? I saw what he just did. I've never seen anyone do that. This game is actually sweat infested. Like, oh my, nobody new could be a Joey in this game anymore. Again, dude! Another builder Barry just knocked himself into the void with blocks again. Like, they think they're good, but in reality, they're actual doo-doo. Jake and Void got nerfed, now they don't even know what to do with themselves. I can build too, you know? I just took all that 4 damage. Because the higher you are, the more 4 damage you take. I honestly feel bad for people who are new to playing this game. It must be the most unenjoyable experience in Roblox. You've got hackers, sweats, toxics.
Seriously, dude, I'm done.
Okay. I'm gonna fall again. You've got more power. And now you're dead. You got a diamond sword. Can't kill me with that. You can't even kill me with a better sword.
I'll play.
Why is it when you kill people once, they just leave? Hey, if you guys want to see a video where I use every single kit but in one video, hey, you better run up those likes and the subscribe button, you know what I'm saying? See, this person's new to the game, bro. Like, I can tell this person's new to the game. So you know what? I'm gonna spare you. You know what? I hope you have a good day. Okay, now that is just toxic. I spare you, and then you're just gonna come try to slay me out? That is toxic. You
Oh, yes!
calm down, miss. Alright? I'm
What?
gonna help you get a win here, alright? I'm gonna give you the win. You're really getting on my nerves, lady. Bye.
Seriously,
You
dude.
know what? I have a love-hate relationship with this game. Some days I absolutely hate the game, but some days I just love it, dude. Tanker delivery service. I'm gonna get this person their first win. Bye. You're gonna regret it, buddy. Hold yourself. Good luck with your future endeavors. Bet you don't even get a fight.
Imagine if
If
she
I
was
send
just
an
acting
email
like
that
a noob to
contains
get 2 wins.
typos to a potential customer, how likely are they to trust that I'll do it?
Thank you. I got absolutely no response. She's probably just in shock. This guy keeps like bowing me, but I guarantee he gets annoyed when I start doing it back. People literally get mad if you use any item in this game. And you're gonna see this arrow come in. Ready? Let's open up the chat. Here come the excuses. Hey yo, Ari, just not that serious. I don't know why my man's assuming that I'm taking it serious when I'm just not, dude. I'm just here to have some fun, bro. Oh, so now I'm the tryhard, even though he's complaining that he's dying. Right. I killed him twice and he's already given up. That's how easily people give up when they're not winning. Oh, you killed the wrong person, buddy. I mean, this was a good server to use a bow. Like, literally everybody's using bows in this server. What? Cringe? You just bowed me!
That's fine, that's fine.
What did I say? Can't believe that you're using blocks in this game. That's real cringe right there. That's just like me saying, like, why are you playing this game? Because I want to? Oh, look. He's finding... My man just thinks he's good, but just fails. That's the reason that I'm dead. My man's literally coping right now. I love the way when you kill somebody in this game, they find any excuse to just not blame themselves. Lag! Yeah, it really looks like you're lagging. You know when someone's lagging, and trust me, this guy is not lagging. I'm waiting for him to buy armor, but he keeps rushing me, dude. Like, just non-stop. You're just gonna keep dying. Just buy armor! He's literally a free loot box. You know what? I'll let him get the bed. I'll keep it. It'll keep him happy. Now look what he's doing. Wow, this. Yeah, I knew it. Yeah. Look how many times we've encountered people that do that, bro. Oh, I wonder why he's lagging, guys. His mum's laptop can't handle the auto-clicker. 2 kill. Wow, another one. Hey, yo, they need to revert the combat, bro. This is actually getting so sad. The PvP just did not need to get faster, bro. Now he's auto-clicking the block glitch. Bro, I could not play this game all day, every day. I don't know how people do it, bro.
Boys, this is the day we trained for our entire lives. We've gone through years of training for this exact moment. We are going to be trying to survive 24 hours in the natural disaster. If you guys haven't played this game mode yet, play acid rain, meteor showers, and more. And we're gonna see who can survive the longest out of the 4 of us. And let's get straight into it. Alright, you guys, we're in the first game, boys. Are you guys ready?
Yes, sir.
Oh my gosh, in 5 seconds, what's coming? No!
Wait, what? Wait, how do you break this? How do you survive?
Dude, you better get some blocks, I'll tell you that. You better get some blocks.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
I'm not dead, bro. I swear I'm not dead.
Bro!
Oh no, I just oh my gosh.
I'm physically as high as I can get. I think
Bro,
I'm
bro,
Yeah.
I'm literally dead.
I'm
dead. I died.
Like, come on, bro. I survived it.
Dang it, I tried.
I see you with
Oh, I got him!
Wait, who did?
Let's go!
No, hold it. Alright, you know what?
Yo, let me do what I want to do, my boy. Alright?
Oh my gosh, bro. And you're not even allowed to take bets for 5 minutes? No. Oh my gosh. Wait, come on, if you go outside, bro, there's like chicken and rice. You want some?
Wait. So if this thing hits me, do I just instantly die? Let me see.
No.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Oh, text on the boy.
I was gonna try to go 2 votes in, bro. Come on, bro. How are we gonna survive this, bro?
Just
You know
move it
what?
to
I'm
me
gonna
one.
make a guys. You guys want to make a blue face?
No, I'm trying to win this. You
I'll
guys
make a base. I'll make a base with you.
Okay, come on, Clay. We're teaming up.
I got my secret weapon too. Where you at?
Teammate, why you
No
are a
cheating. You have
teammate?
an infinite teleport, bro.
I'm not.
And grass? What? Bro.
Come on, get over
What the heck? Yo, two-base. Let's team together. Two-base.
There you go.
Wait. How about you guys cheating?
It's all good.
Me and Clay versus
Oh, no, not the
two
tornado.
base. You guys versus us two, okay?
Is this your base?
Let's take a base. Come on.
About
Clay.
They not lose those infos in that tornado, bro.
Wait, 4 devils?
We gotta build the base now. Don't worry about me.
Get out!
No grass.
Just get out.
I just actually
Come here.
so hard, bro.
Say goodbye to our
Yeah,
base,
that's
bro. Say goodbye to our base.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Get out, bitch.
Oh my god.
Clay, come on, we're gonna make an underground one. Come on, come down here,
Oh
bro.
my gosh, bro. Okay, head inside. What are we doing?
Hey, right here, take this.
Last one. I promise, okay?
Bomb shelter.
Bomb shelter.
We're going free cam. Look at this thing, bro. Look at this.
Let me see. Oh my god, this actually kind of sick, bro. Don't cap.
Hey, bro.
Wait,
I,
let me go.
I swear I did not mean to do that, Malachi.
Wait, let me go see what toothpaste and
I mean,
Bolton are
toothpaste.
doing.
Yo, you're not gonna see what we're doing, yo. Oh!
Where's that? Oh my god.
Oh, no, I'm actually dead.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
How many blocks do I
Where
need,
you
bro?
at?
Oh, look at them building up over there. Yo, what are you doing with
I'm
the
dropping all
pearl?
these. Oh, you're cheating, bro. Come on, chill.
Yo.
Let's go. I hit Clay the Void.
Bro. Oh, toothpaste. I see toothpaste on here. Toothpaste. Don't let me come
No.
on, man.
I'm
Oh my
going.
god, stop! Guys, I need to use Glitch. I'm doing this Glitch, bro. I don't care. Bye-bye.
Oh, wait, what the?
Don't
What
worry,
glitch is that? That's so. How? How do you do that?
I'm not telling you I need to use Glitch. I'm doing this Glitch, bro. I don't care.
What
Bye-bye.
glitch? Yo, wait, what the?
Bye-bye.
What
Don't play
glitch
damage.
is that? That's so. How? How do you do that?
I'm not telling you I got. Oh
my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
I'm under, bro.
No!
I'm surviving, bro.
No!
Oh my gosh,
Don't kill me.
Kill him.
No, we have to work together.
Oh, what are you doing?
I'm coming, bro. Where's Bolton? You inside cheat, bro? Oh my gosh, bro. This looks so scary outside, bro. Looks like a zombie apocalypse.
Look at these little boys.
Wait, who? You can see us?
Oh, never mind.
I'm cheating.
Oh, sorry, I didn't.
Yo! What are you kidding me? Wait, bro, no way, bro.
Oh my gosh, no way it's both at the same time.
Hey, Clay, I need blocks.
I'm
I'm going.
Get out of this! How do I get out
How about one more? Yeah, it's just one more, right? If you watch till the end, comment your username. I'll give you $1.
Let's go, right? No blocks. I was literally using
Without text.
I literally just died.
Bro, you died, bro. There's no way you can.
Because on you to watch till the end, you get $1. And you'll see the insane pro clutches, dude.
Bro, oh my gosh, I just died.
No way.
Oh no.
Oh my god, this is insane, bro. What's this thing destroyed? Who is this out here? Is that Two-Face? Two-Face is saying how
I'm
to
just
kill
gonna
the world,
tell M's, buddy.
bro. You about to get hit, dog. Two-Face is done. Two-Face is done. I'm waiting for it. I'm waiting
Look
for
at
it.
all these meteors falling in pre-camp. Oh my
Oh
god.
my god,
Toothpaste,
bro.
we gotta win this. Like, what are we
Yes,
doing?
we got it, bro. We got
Oh,
it.
you guys are moving on.
Everybody's all scared of the meteors. I'm just in mid, stacking up on them, boys.
Bro,
Come give me some M's.
wait, where's my? Oh, I do have. Oh my gosh, Clay, you're stacked.
What do you mean he's stacked? No.
There's no way he's stacked, bro.
Yeah, they're capping.
Yo!
Oh, no,
Oh my gosh, Clay, come inside, Clay, come inside, Clay, come inside. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Wait, I have an idea.
I'm gonna do have enough blocks. Whatever.
Boys rising, boys rising.
Bro, we're dead.
Come in. Get one shot.
I'm on here, bro. I'm going up as fast as I can, bro.
No.
I'm playing it so smart, Clay, look at me.
Oh, Max.
Oh, I died, bro. I lost
You got
everything.
this.
No way, bro.
Bro.
I'm playing this so smart, bro. The points still
You
rising.
better not die, bro.
No way I survived this. No way I survived, bro.
I survived it. I actually survived it.
You got my M's, Bolton.
Gee, wait, should I just put you guys on the same team?
Oh,
Yeah, I guess so.
okay, I promise last one. Okay. I swear.
Oh my gosh, is that you?
I'm gonna go vaccine anyway, so I wanna play as much as possible. You know.
No way this guy has diamond armor, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, my man has that infinite knockback or something. He sent me the moon.
No
Let's
way,
go.
bro.
Let's go.
Man had diamond armor. I took
Oh
the
my
down.
gosh. Wait,
Bro,
Clay,
I
got
don't
me,
know.
bro.
I think he was doing your strat or just jiggle hitting or something.
Oh, rip, I just died.
Wait, what? How did he hit?
Come on,
I'm out, bro. I'm out, bro.
Good knowing ya.
You're done? You're not dead, bro. You're not dead. Trust me. I'm dropping you, boys. No!
Bro, how long does this thing last?
Where's
No!
Wait, what's
I
going
didn't
on?
see anything. I actually
Wait, I'm dead.
Oh, I see Bolton. Bolton! I'm coming. You want to play with Chex, huh?
I do want to play with checks. No, you don't. You don't want to mess with checks.
Yeah, you do not want to mess with Chex, my guy. That's all I gotta say.
You don't want to know what happened the last time.
Let's just say he's not here anymore. Oh my gosh, I have no blood. Oh my gosh.
Not again, bro.
I'm out of here, bro.
Oh, come
Go back,
on.
please. Oh my
And
gosh.
tornadoes.
No way.
Run. I'm going in. Oh my gosh.
Bro, I need help. Bro. Listen, I'm going for answer. I'm going answer. We need amps. Listen, I might do all these tornadoes, bro. I don't care, bro. I don't care. Let's go. A tornado! I'm dead.
Check, play safe.
I'm dead. I'm playing safe. I survived a tornado. I just survived a tornado, bro. No, I didn't. I'm dead. Oh my god! I'm out there,
Oh.
I had 36 M's.
No, you didn't.
Okay, I
That's
promise.
insane. That's insane.
I want to make the most of it. Okay. I want to at least win once. I've not win once in this last.
Wait, this is impossible, bro.
Yeah, you're right.
Bro, how do you survive this?
Wait, what? Your
No
game
way.
chat is on, bro.
Like, do the black glitch. Look, I'm going all the way up. Oh my gosh,
Oh,
how are we
rip.
surviving, bro? Oh, it's toxic rain too, bro. I'm dead.
Oh my gosh, bro. If I survive, I think I'm gonna survive this.
gosh, bro.
No!
Oh my goodness, bro.
No! I actually survived! Oh my gosh, I survived on 1 HP.
No, you
I-
didn't.